Grand Rising, everyone. It is Shay Seeking or Shalonda, and I'm back. Okay. And this is just going to be a quickie. All right. Because I seen something earlier. I think it was like a little clip. With, I think it was Will Smith or something like that. And it said something like, seeking revenge. In seeking revenge, you ruin yourself. And I thought about that for a second. Because I don't necessarily do things for revenge. I seek balance in all things. I like to restore order in things. So again, a lot of this is not about revenge. It's about bringing order to the court. And I think what I do here, a lot of people know that that's what it is. So they try to do little things to try to control your life a little bit more and a little bit more. See? Now, if nobody ever tried to restore order or bring balance to a situation, then we will be going down a one-way road or a one-way street. And there's too many of us that should realize that that's the wrong way to go, especially when it's being led by those that may be at the top, or those so-called officials or powers that shouldn't be. And it's going in the wrong direction. So again, there's nothing I do that's like really malicious. Everything is somewhat, and nobody is perfect. And when I say pure, I'm not saying perfect. And what I'm saying is there's purity in what you're going to be hearing coming from me, no matter how dirty it sounds coming out my mouth. It should be crystal clear, almost, as much as I can guess. Again, some may understand and some may not. That depends on what level, of seeing you are at. It has nothing to do with me. I'm just a messenger. And people like to shoot the messenger. See, because the things that you don't see that go on in the background that pushes someone who is chosen or waking up to realize that they're on a journey or a path and there's no one there to really guide them. There's a whole bunch of commentators, okay? But there's no one really there guiding you, okay? And it just seems that, again, the guidance goes to those that don't, not the ones that have the goal, but the ones that I don't know what they have. They appear to be. The ones that have all the answers. In this case, when it comes to these movements and these things that are happening right now on this plane, they're the ones that appear to have the answers. They overlook the ones that are always in the mud digging and digging. It's almost like those people that you see in mines and stuff like that that are on there digging and working hard, like the coal miner's fucking daughter. They do all the hard work. The little people, the real people that matter, the ones that voices don't get heard. That's who I speak for. That's who I fight for. And I'm going to do it whether I have or have not. It's just something that's in me. So again, I don't seek revenge. I like to settle the score, maybe, possibly, or to get things straight. Okay? There should not be, again, I'm hearing no one man should have all that power, but if that man is that person, then that's okay. And that's not right. And it's a shame when the person that does have the power is overlooked. Because that's a dangerous thing. That power gets placed underneath, okay, a conservatorship or something in some way, in some fashion of someone who shouldn't have it. Do you understand what I'm saying? So again, I want to let people know that they say, who got the money? Well, you know what? It's the people that keep doing the shit wrong. It's the ones that don't, that usually have the key. And I feel like it's to a successful you and me, okay? It's not that me, I energy. And I was just thinking about that apple or the forbidden fruit or the forbidden, knowledge or something like that. Like even with the iPhone, And I think like even with the Android, like we're being categorized by strange things today. And the androids are the ones that's just supposed to go along with the flow and put their heads down and walk with the crowd. But I can't be that. I'm that motherfucker standing in front of that bitch like, y'all going the wrong way. And if everybody continue to go, I will turn the fuck around. You see what I'm saying? So that's what it is. Yeah. That's what we dealing with today. And unfortunately, well, no, I'll say fortunately, I feel, and I just really do feel that, again, one day I'll wake up and there'll be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and more and more and more. Because I feel like the highway is the right way. Or taking the high road. But the high road is not always, putting your head down and looking the other way. It's about being that change. The change that I feel people have always tried to give us the perception or some kind of broken promises that they would do, and they never did it. That's why I know that we are the ones that we've been waiting for. We are the ones that decide. So anyway, America says, until you do right by me, everything the fuck you gonna touch is gonna fall or fail. Because what's right is right and what's wrong is wrong. And in that order of my eye, I have come to bring order. And in my segment energy, I can turn on the rage. I feel like the universe is just saying enough is enough. And there are some untouchables that are being created right now in order to get the fucking job done.